We all use AI. But let me ask you a serious question. Do you blindly trust what ChatGPT tells you when your money, your health, or your entire business strategy is on the line? Today, I'm going to show you how to move from trusting generic AI answers to mathematically verifying intelligence. Here's the hidden danger of truth by consensus. When you ask standard AI to research a complex topic, it usually does something incredibly reckless. It averages out all the sources, even the garbage ones, or it simply hallucinates to fill in the gaps. In the real world, a false data point doesn't just look unprofessional. It costs you money, kills your credibility, and ruins campaigns. To prove this, we put our new system through an acid test. We fed the AI 4 sources regarding safe caffeine levels. 3 were real, globally recognized medical institutions recommending a strict 400 milligrams. But the 4th was a fake, sensationalist blog we completely fabricated, aggressively pushing 800 milligrams. The question was, would the AI swallow the bait? Watch what happens when we deploy the Source Arbitrageur workflow. Instead of spitting out a generic, homogenized summary, the engine systematically breaks down every single source. It audits their credibility and cross-references them in real time. It doesn't just read the internet, it ruthlessly interrogates it. And here's the verdict. The AI did not fall for our trap. It instantly isolated the real data, rejected the noise, and issued a definitive limit of 400 milligrams, backing it up with a strict mathematical confidence score of 88%. No flat answers, no guessing, just cold calculated risk assessment. How did it know? Because we forced the engine to score every source across 5 ruthless dimensions: proximity, transparency, track record, independence, and recency. It immediately detected that our fake blog had 0 authority, flagging it as a high-level fabrication risk. The AI is no longer naive, it is fortified. If you had just asked ChatGPT normally, it would have averaged the fake 800 milligram source with the real ones, handing you a corrupted, physically dangerous answer of 500. But by utilizing our weighted consensus value, the crushing authority of the real institutions canceled out the fake blog entirely. The final output? 100% shielded by mathematical logic. It even detects circular citations, instantly warning us when one source is just blindly copying another. This prevents viral fake news from becoming truth just because it ranks high on Google. This is advanced analyst-level critical thinking, condensed into a single click. Think about the ROI. Finding sources, extracting raw data, cross-tabulating discrepancies, and scoring authority by hand would easily take you over 3 grueling hours. With the right prompt framework, you execute that entire elite pipeline in exactly 15 seconds. That is why we built the research engine. Forget about those lists of childish act as a professional marketer prompts. Those are toys. These are true engineered analysis machines. Inside, you unlock 50 advanced workflows covering deep web research, competitive intelligence, content analysis, fact verification, and executive report generation. This is everything you need to absolutely dominate your niche and leave your competitors relying on hallucinations. It's time to stop just asking AI and start interrogating it. Take the professional leap today. Get the research engine, turn your AI into a 24/7 mathematically verified research department, and never doubt your data again.